Ma'am.
Hello, good evening, sir. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm fine, thank you.
All right, great. If I'm not wrong, this is our first session together, right?
Yes, it is the second session with you.
It's your second session with me.
Yes, ma'am. It is
All right,
second.
okay. How are you doing?
It's fine now. I'm on my job. I'm
Oh,
in
right.
a-
You're in your office.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So we'll begin with our session notes. Before
Yeah.
that, do you have any questions?
Okay. No, ma'am. I don't have any questions. Please continue.
All right. So our topic for today is senses. So do you know which are the all the senses of your human body?
It's a like common sense or own sense, like.
No. So a human body has 5 senses. Taste, sight, smell, your audio,
Organ sense.
and touch.
Okay. It's organ sense.
Yeah, that organ sense. So these are our 5 main senses. So our topic for today is if you had to lose a sense. So if you, according to you, which one is the most important sense in a human body?
I think taste.
Taste? Why do you say that?
Because without taste, how can we know that how what to eat and what to not eat?
Okay. So food is your priority?
It is very important to having a taste sense.
Okay. All right. So it's taste sense according to is really important for food.
Sorry.
Taste sense is very important for food, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And which do you think is the least important sense in a human body?
Skin sense.
Skin. Why do you say that?
Because how we means someone is blind and how can he know that which type of thing he will use now? So in that sense, skin sense is important.
No, which is the least important sense?
Least, not important. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I think smell sense.
Smell? Okay. Why do you say that?
Because there are it's a when we use this sense, sometimes sense are good, means smell are good, but some smells are not good. So sometimes we go in a bad place and smell is very cut if they are. So that time we face very demotivated. So I think smell sense is least important.
Okay. So smell is not really important. Because and we can avoid bad smell also if we avoid the sense of smell, right?
Yes.
So can you tell me the importance of all 5 senses?
All 5 senses important.
Yes.
If we have all the senses, we are able to sense all those things. Maybe sometimes we smell things. It's a good or bad. So all those senses are important for human body. Like taste sense, we use sweet. Maybe we able to identify it's like a spicy or sweetish. Okay. And also skin sense help us to identify it's a cold or it's a hot things. Okay. So all those sense are important for human body.
Okay. And it also helps us to feel pain, the skin sense, touch sense, right?
Yeah, touch sense. It's a very important because we don't have this sense. It means that whatever things this means in front of us, we directly handle it. If we don't have a sense, and
Okay.
if we have sense, then we check it. It's a hot or it's a cold.
All right. Okay. So, what about the rest of the three senses? We have talked about taste, we have talked about touch. The rest of the three?
Rest of two
The remaining three,
three
what are the advantages of those three?
means sense, taste, and smell. Advantages of these
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah, we have talked about taste and skin, right? So we have to talk about smell, eyesight, and hearing also. What are the advantages of those?
Eye and hearing.
Yes.
These are the most important sense also, because without eye vision, how can we see the world, and how can we survive on day-to-day life? And if we are deaf and we don't have any sense to listen anyone, so it is really difficult to connect with the people and contact with them and discuss with them, and sharing ideas and our views with different types of people. So I think all the five senses are most important.
Okay.
According to me, taste is the most.
Taste is the most important. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to learn proper names of all five senses. It might be a little difficult at first, but we're going to try to use them throughout the rest of the session also. So the hearing sense, which we talked about, it's called auditory.
Did you type it?
Yes. You can see it in the chat.
Auditory.
Auditory. Yes.
Auditory. Okay.
The taste one is called gustatory.
Taste. Gustatory.
Gustatory. The
Gustatory.
smell one is called olfactory. Just a second, I'm going to. Yep. Then
Olfactory.
yes. Then the eye one is called visual. And the touch one is called tactile. So these are the proper names of all of the, senses that we have.
Tactile.
So this is visual, this is olfactory, this is gustatory, this is auditory, and this is tactile. So yeah, so you can use these. You have to learn these up and practice these every day, because these are a little difficult. But
Okay.
once you get the hang of it, you will be able to use them.
Thank you. Thank you. Because it's very difficult to pronounce some words.
Yes, you'll get them slowly and gradually. They're not that difficult.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if you had to lose a sense out of the five senses, if you had to lose one, which one would you lose? And you can try to use the proper names of the senses also.
Which sense, if I have lose of one sense, which one I will choose? Is it?
Yes.
It's a difficult question. I will choose the smell sense, because no matter what smells surrounding me, it is no matter for me. Okay, but visual and what is it? Visual and
Auditory.
auditory and taste and skin.
Gustatory. Yeah.
Okay. After that, I cover it. But now I will use similar words. So these four senses are more important for a human life. And if I had lose the one sense, I will choose the smell sense.
Right. Okay. So olfactory sense is not that important.
Yeah. Okay.
But do you know gustatory and olfactory both go together? Like if you taste something, you're able to taste it because of your tongue and your nose. So if your nose goes away, your taste will also partly go away. That's how it works.
Okay,
Do you?
okay, but these are the inside organs. Okay, but if I lose my visual, if I lose my hearing organ, so in that sense, it will be very difficult to communicate with other people.
Right. Okay. So if you had to acquire another sense, like one more sense, what would you want it to be?
To know the what happened in something's mind.
You
I
want
want
to
to,
read, you want to read other people's minds?
yeah, I want to
Oh,
this sense how to read those people's face and how to read those people's of mind, because nowadays most of the people threat and they cheat you. They means they make a fraud sometimes. So
yeah.
I want to read those people's mind.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I agree. I would like to have the same sense.
Okay, thank you.
So, which sense do you think you use the most? And try to use a proper word.
All the sense.
All the
I
sense.
mostly visual and hearing, because nowadays I'm speaking with you, but some sounds come on my ear, and now I'm listening to those sounds. So I'm using my both sense with you.
Yes, yes. I agree. Even I use my auditory sense the most because even when
Yes,
you're sleeping, you can still hear. You cannot see or taste or anything, but you can still hear.
yeah. And also visual.
Yes.
Whatever comes in your, because now I am speaking with you, but in front of me there is a highway, and lots of vehicles are going on these road, and now I am also seeing those vehicles.
Right. So you can hear them also and see them also.
Yes, yes.
And which sense do you think we use the least?
I think I think body sense. I think skin sense.
Tactile sense?
Tactile. Yes, tactile.
Okay. Why do you think we use it very less?
Because now we know which thing is hot or cold, or maybe which thing is uh, hard or loose. We easily know that. So I think we didn't use this sense on day-to-day life,
Hmm.
at
Okay.
least.
So it's not of much use now.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you think life would have been if we did not have any senses?
Sorry, repeat again.
How do you think life would have been if we did not have any sense?
I think I am not imagine without sense life. It is very difficult to survive on the world if some person don't have any sense. Means there are five organs and five sense, and if someone does not have any sense, then it is very difficult to survive. So
Okay.
I'm not imagining this
You
type of life.
cannot you cannot imagine a life
No,
without
no,
senses. Survival would be very difficult.
very difficult.
All right. Okay. Do you think your senses save you from danger?
Yeah,
How?
yes. Because if any type of movements happen in front of us, our visual sense give us a notification about that, and also our tackle also give us which touch is good and which touch is bad. So okay, it's also important for us. And
Hmm.
smelling also give us some information about us. You know, dark sense is easily found warm and type of things easily.
Right.
Okay,
Okay.
so all those things.
All right, sir. So we're out of time. We'll wrap up for today. Great session. We learned 5 new words as well. And
Okay.
I would want you to practice them and use them as much as you can in sentences and in your speech. And we'll meet for another session.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.